CGDI A2 V027 update. Audi MQB NEC 95320 4.5 Gen, only one smart keys unlocked. Hey everyone, I'm Hussain, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your go-to pit stop for everything related to automobile diagnostics, key programming, and cutting-edge garage tech. If you're someone who loves exploring new updates and tools that make automotive work faster and smarter, then you're absolutely in the right place. Before we dive into this exciting update, here's a quick but important note. This video is purely for educational and informational purposes. Everything you see here is meant to help technicians, learners, and automotive enthusiasts grow their skills safely and responsibly. All brands, clips, and logos belong to their respective owners, and you should always follow official manufacturer instructions and local laws when performing any kind of programming or diagnostic work. Now, let me ask you something. If your favorite diagnostic tool suddenly got a free update that could handle next-gen Audi systems and evenly Lixiang smart keys, how fast would you hit that update button? Stick around till the end, because this CGDI A2 V027 update has a lot more surprises packed in than you might expect. All right, let's talk about the big news. The CGDI A2 version 027 update is here, and it's free. That's right, CGDI has just rolled out another major upgrade, and it's absolutely loaded with new capabilities, better system coverage, and brand new model support that'll make many professional users smile. So what's new in version 027? Let's start with the headliner, Audi. The CGDI team has officially added support for the MQB NEC 95320 4.5 generation systems. If you've been waiting for broader compatibility, this one's a treat. This update covers units like 5060 920 861A and 5060 920 871A, and it doesn't stop there. CGDI has also expanded support for the Johnson Control series, adding coverage for part numbers like 34D 920 850C, 34D 920 850E, 34D 920 850G, 31G 920 850, 31G 920 850B, 31G 920 850C, 31G 920 850F, 18G 920 860B, and 18G 920 860. That's a pretty big deal for technicians working with newer Audi dashboards. If you've ever worked on an Audi MQB model, you know how much of a headache these clusters can be. With this update, CGDI is making life easier for technicians by simplifying key adaptation and making the whole MQB NEC process more reliable and efficient. It's like upgrading your wrench set to a power tool, smoother, faster, and way more satisfying to use. Now let's shift gears to Geely. CGDI didn't forget about you folks. Version 027 adds support for the Cowboy series, including both key matching and ESC code writing/clearing functions. And for those working on the 4th generation brand, this update now allows full key matching and remote control synchronization. That means no more third-party workarounds or compatibility issues. CGDI A2 now handles it directly, cleanly, and securely. And here's another highlight that's sure to grab attention. CGDI A2 now supports online 4-digit password query for SAIC-GM vehicles. Anyone who's ever tried programming on SAIC-GM systems knows that accessing those codes can be a serious pain. This new function cuts that hassle down dramatically. It's basically like having a backstage pass to your own car's security system. But CGDI didn't stop there. Version 027 also adds support for Lixiang, specifically the Li 1 Smart Key Matching function. This is huge because Li 1 is one of the most advanced hybrid SUV platforms in China, and adding support for its smart key system puts CGDI ahead of many competing tools in the market. It shows just how fast the CGDI team is responding to evolving vehicle technology. You know, sometimes I think CGDI developers have coffee cups labeled "sleep later" because these updates just keep coming faster than most of us can test them. But hey, I'm not complaining. More updates mean more business and smoother workflows for workshops everywhere. If you're someone running a garage or offering professional programming services, version 027 is a must-have. Not only does it make your CGDI A2 tool future-proof, but it also expands your customer coverage, especially for newer Audi MQB systems and the models. Think of it as unlocking a bonus round in a game. Except this time, your prize is faster service, happier clients, and more revenue. All right, time to wrap it up. Earlier, I asked if you'd be quick to hit that update button, and if you've made it this far, I think we both know the answer. With so many new systems added, from Audi MQB 4.5 Gen to the Lixiang smart keys, this is one update you definitely shouldn't skip. Personally, I think this is one of CGDI's smartest and most balanced updates yet. It doesn't just focus on one brand. It spreads value across Audi, Geely, SAIC-GM, and Li, which shows how dedicated CGDI is to supporting technicians around the world. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which new feature are you most excited to try? The Audi MQB compatibility, the SAIC-GM online password query, or the Li One smart key function? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Here's a fun fact before we go. The MQB platform from Volkswagen Group, which Audi uses, actually stands for Modular Korbaukasten, which translates to Modular Transverse Matrix. Sounds fancy, right? Basically, it means Audi can design a whole family of cars faster and smarter using shared components. So if you found this video helpful, let's keep the momentum rolling. Smash that like button. Let's hit our goal of 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments to help push Baabji Motors up the YouTube leaderboard. Hype this video, share it with your fellow techs, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the next big diagnostic update. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, happy diagnosing.